I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to present food on the plate pasta. First, select a plate that complements your pasta's shape and portion size. A shallow bowl or a wide, flat plate often works best. Ensure your pasta is cooked perfectly al dente, as this affects both taste and how it holds its shape. Finally, have all your sauces and garnishes ready and within easy reach before you start plating. Next, focus on building height and volume. For long pasta, use tongs to gently twirl it into a compact, elegant nest in the center of your plate. This technique adds visual appeal and makes the dish look more substantial. For shorter pasta shapes, simply pile them neatly in the middle, ensuring they don't spread too widely. Aim for a balanced and inviting structure. Now it's time for the sauce and garnishes. Drizzle your sauce artfully over and around the pasta, ensuring you don't completely submerge it. The pasta itself should still be visible. If you have main ingredients, such as a protein or vegetables, place them strategically on top of or beside the pasta. Finish with fresh herbs, a generous amount of grated cheese, or a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper for color and aroma. Finally, for those crucial finishing touches, take a clean, damp cloth and carefully wipe away any drips or smudges from the rim of the plate. This simple step makes a significant difference in professional presentation. You might also consider adding a small amount of high-quality olive oil for an extra sheen and enhanced flavor. Serve your beautifully plated pasta immediately to ensure optimal temperature and freshness for your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.